Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to discuss a small poem, Wind, to the students of Standard 9. Now we all know wind, it blows sometimes very softly and sometimes it blows violently. Now we have recently witnessed the destruction caused by Amphan, a strong wind, okay, what we call cyclone. So the same here, we are going to discuss the poem about wind. The poet is here making an appeal, a request to the wind. Now, what is his request? Let's see. The poet is Subramania Bharti. Now, the poet is saying, wind, come softly. So, the poet is requesting the wind to come or to blow softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. The poet once again making request to the wind not to break the shutters of the window. Shutters, the frame, panel of the window. Don't scatter the papers. The poet requesting the wind not to scatter, not to disperse, not to throw in different directions the papers lying on the table. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There are books as well on the table. The poet is telling the requesting the wind not to throw down the books from the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. But the wind, okay, is not listening to the poet's request. What the wind did, the wind has thrown down the books from the shelf. It has even torn the pages of the book. Now, what the wind did? There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You threw the books all down from the table or from the shelf. You tore the pages of the books. You even tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. And not only this, with you, okay, along with you, you have brought rain for more destruction. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Now, the poet is speaking to the wind here in a different tone. Okay, now his tone here is that here his tone is mockery. Okay, he's saying to the wind that you are very good at poking, making fun of the weaklings. Weaklings means weak things. How? Frail, crumbling houses. Frail means easily broken. Weak, crumbling, half broken. Okay, or broken parts of houses. Those are houses which are weak, which are already half broken. Okay, so you break them. Crumbling doors, you also break weak doors which are half broken. Okay, or which has broken parts. So you break crumbling doors, you break crumbling rafters. Rafters is the beam, okay, supporting beam, slope, supporting beam which supports the roof of a house. So you break the rafters. Crumbling woods, you break the woods, weak woods. So crumbling bodies, you also break the weak bodies. Crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. So all those things which are weak, you break them. So by breaking them, you are making fun at the weaklings, at the weak things. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. Now, winnows here means to blow grain from the sap, from the chaff, or to separate grain from the husk by blowing. So, wind, what wind does? The wind winnows the husk from the grain, and then also crushes everything. Crushes means smashing, breaking everything. Now, here the wind is referred to as God. By wind god, we say something that wind god. We also say rain god. Okay, so this is a way of saying because it is natural thing. Wind is a natural thing, and that's why some people even worship wind. So that's why wind god. He won't do what you tell him. The poet is saying that the wind will not do what you tell him or what we request him to do. So come, let's build a strong home. So, in order to safeguard ourselves, we have to do something. Okay, what is that something? We have to make strong houses. Okay, so we have to make everything strong because wing can only break weak things. It cannot cause any harm to the strong thing. So the poet is saying to us that the wind will not do what we tell him to do. So let's build a strong house. Let's join the doors firmly, the doors of the houses. Okay, join them firmly, strongly, so that the strong wind cannot move them, cannot break them. So practice to firm the body. We even have to make our body strong in order to protect ourselves from the strong wind. So practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Steadfast once again is strong and firm. So we have to make our heart also very, very strong in order to protect ourselves from the violent wind, from the strong wind. So do this and the wind will be friends with us. And if we do, if we build our houses strong, if we join the doors strongly, if we make our heart very firm and strong, then only, okay, will be friends with us. The wind will not be able to cause destruction. So the wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires roar and flourish. Now once again what happens? The wind blows out weak fires. Now when the fire is very weak, it's not burning strongly, a strong wind, what it will do? It will blow out. Okay, it will put off the fire, weak fire. He makes strong fires, roars and flurries. Now you might have heard fire in the forest. Okay, the forest in forest. Okay, the fire is very strong. So what the wind does? Wind blows strongly and flourishes the fire. Okay, spreads the fire very quickly, very rapidly. So he makes a strong fire roar and flourish. Roar and flourish means it spreads very quickly, making sound. Okay, and flourish means spread. So his friendship is good. We praise him every day. So the poet here is saying that if we make friendship with wind, it is good for us because it will not cause any destruction. So we praise him every day. We praise wind every day. Why we praise wind every day? Because wind is a natural thing, and wind, when it blows very softly, it gives comfort to our body in summer season. Okay, when wind blows, we feel comfortable. Okay, we enjoy the soft wind on our body. Okay, and also in extreme heat condition, it is only the wind which gives us a source of relaxation, it is also a source of comfort. So that's it. I hope you understood this poem, students. So we'll discuss the question answers in the live class. Okay, so for the time being, goodbye.